Hi, internet friends. It's getting late, so I think I'm done working for the day, but I wanted to provide a quick update on what I got done today. Yesterday, I was determined to get my local run working on my desktop, and that's this video that you're seeing right now. I got it working, but there were just so many issues. The biggest one was that the FlutterFlow app, the desktop app, would just close randomly like every 10 minutes or so. And I could get it to restart if I deleted a random folder somewhere, a Firestore folder, but it was just too obnoxious to deal with on top of trying to debug SQLite, which as you can see here, I did get it to show the data, but as soon as I started trying to edit it, I was getting an issue where it seemed like it wasn't getting its ID. It was getting a null value instead of that integer for the ID. And so it would just throw an error. And I couldn't debug it, and my FlutterFlow app just kept closing. So I decided to look into a few other options for having a local storage database. And I did that for a little bit. And for a minute, I thought I would try Hive, which is another local database for Flutter. But I started down that road and I was like, this is too new right now. So I decided to go with what I know and make a Supabase. Um, so yeah, I ended up making a Supabase for this app as well. And where I'm at right now is that I have the tasks table for creating and editing tasks and the cars table, although I guess this should be vehicles because it's not necessarily just cars. And even though I didn't get a local database up and running, I did figure out and set up Google authentication. It doesn't run in the test mode, but I did publish the app and like in the web app, and it works there. So that's pretty exciting, and I feel like makes it a little bit easier, makes it a little bit easier to stomach having to create an account just to test out an app when it's easy to do with one click. Because it is, yeah, I definitely don't like it when apps force you to create a user account just to log in and like test things out. And I know that Supabase has anonymous login. It's just not integrated with FlutterFlow yet, it seems like. So anyways, set up a Supabase database, and I have that tasks table that works now, and this all should work. Yeah, nice. I can delete things, edit things, add tasks, and then I also got creating cars or vehicles. Working as well. I haven't done the photos yet, so that's still on the to-do list, but we can create cars and we can click into it and see its data here, as well as edit the car itself, and also delete it. So I'm kind of on track. I feel like with apps, when you make some progress, you also start to make more lists of what needs to get done. Especially now that I added these accounts, user accounts, now I have to add like logout and the ability to delete the account. And yeah, I'm excited to work on, I'm not sure if I'm going to work on the mileage table tomorrow, or maybe the tasks table, or maybe both. But we're making progress, and I'm really happy with how fast it was to set up a Supabase database. I think because I like just did it for my other app idea and even set up the row level security policies. So, yeah, that was my progress for today, and I will see you tomorrow with another update.